Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be doing this look right here. This is going to be like a Valentine's Day look, but it's more with a little spice. Everyone always does like red, or they do pink. Mostly it's red, and then yeah. So today I wanted to do a Valentine's Day look, but I wanted it to have like a little bit of a spice. My inspiration is my nails because they are really pretty pink with a foil pink on them, and I thought why not do a look with like a neon pink with a little bit of a blue, like a spice of blue in it. And I loved the way it came out. It kind of reminds me of like Barbie feels. A long time ago I remember having like a Barbie house, and like they had like a blue like clear like pool and stairs and stuff like that. That's what kind of reminds me of. But I really like the way it came out, and yeah, so if you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. And yeah, I got so many compliments on this, guys, that I just like, this is my second day wearing it, because the first day was yesterday and I didn't film it, and I was like, why didn't I film it? Probably because I was in a hurry. But I decided to do it again, and my eyes were bothering me earlier, so I took it off and then I just reapplied it. But yeah, so anyway, if you want to watch how I got this, or you want to see how I did this, or if you want to see it. And oh, also guys, if you do this look, don't forget to tag me under Aprilagarza on Instagram. That way I can see your stuff. But yeah, anyway, then let's get this video rolling. And my eyebrows are done. I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced. I always drop shit. Hold on. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids with this. And yeah, so this look that we are gonna do, if you saw my video from yesterday, was it my video from yesterday? Did I do a video yesterday? My snap, maybe? I don't even remember, guys. I don't even remember what day it is. But I had this look, and I got a lot of compliments yesterday wearing it. So I thought, why the hell not film it? I didn't film it yesterday because I was in a fucking hurry, but today we are gonna film it. My inspiration for this look is my nails. Because it's Valentine's Day coming up, I usually just go red, but for some reason I really wanted pink, and then I got like a little foil there. So I kind of want to do a pink look for Valentine's Day for you guys. We're gonna go ahead and go in with the Morphe James Charles palette. This is the palette that I used. Just doing everything that I used on the look yesterday. And I'm going to tell you some colors that we're going to use. So for sure this look, we're going to use this hot pink one right here that kind of matches my nails. And then we're going to use this blue, which is like a dark, where are you? This dark blue right there. Those are the only two colors that I used. Like, basically, that's it. So, I don't know why I have stuff on me. Go in with this fluffy brush. We're going to go ahead and pick up that hot pink. It's like a really pretty, bright ass pink. And that is what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna go in my crease area, and I'm just gonna literally go a little bit higher than I usually do. Not too much, but kind of. If that makes any fucking sense. So I am just gonna go and put this pink and just blend the hell out of this. And with this thick ass brush, it's blue because I used this yesterday. Like, again, I did this look yesterday and I didn't film it. So I'm gonna go in with that blue that I told you about, and it's that really dark blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that you tap that excess off, and let's go in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the lower lid. Now it is blue, but like Dan and Addison were looking at my eye look and they loved it, but they were like, oh, that's cool, it's purple. Guys, blue and pink, mix it together, you're gonna get like this purpley vibe. But it's all cool, it's all good, because people were gonna be like, is it purple, is it blue? It's kind of give it like a little cool dimension. So I'm just gonna go in with this blue, and I'm just gonna go a little bit above my lid, like if I'm gonna like kind of like my crease area, just kind of like to blend it in a little bit. And that is basically what I'm doing. Being very careful with it, just because I don't want too much blue fallout, and I didn't put any like setting powder, it's just setting powder, because I never normally do, and I can't do my eyes before foundation. That's just a preference of mine. Like, I have to do my foundation and brows first. That's just me. Everybody does their makeup totally different. There's not a wrong or right way of doing it, but that's just the way I do mine. So I am just gonna go in, and I'm using this big ass brush because it just kills time thing using a little smaller brush, and then I'm kind of blending it like on the edge area right here, and then kind of just move it up somewhat. But it just kills time, and I didn't have this much fallout. Done. I'm gonna go back with this pink one. I did not pick any more product, and I'm just going to blend the shit out of this, kind of dragging the blue and the pink and mixing it up and just kind of going above it. So you're gonna see how I'm getting that little pinkish vibe to it, and that is basically what I'm doing. Just because I have like a different highlight that I'm using and stuff like that, and how I'm gonna do the liner and all that stuff. But let me go ahead and bronze and do all that stuff, and we'll come back to these. So for bronze, I'm just using number 2 Woody Wonder from Sugar, which is this one right here. It's a really pretty bronze. I use this all the time in the past couple of videos since I got this, and I really enjoy it. So for the blush, I'm going to use the pearlescent pink. I use this a lot, like you guys already know, but I wanted kind of something similar like this for my cheeks, because when it goes on, it does look a little bit more pinkish with this eye look. So I'm just going to do that, and just how I normally do this, just like that. See how it's starting to come apart because I was like mixing and doing all stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some more blue very gently because I don't want any fallout, and I'm just gonna kind of run it and just make it pop a little bit more. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this Wet n Wild liner. I love the way this looks on this look, and it's called Blue, just blue. And yeah, so I'm gonna kind of forward this part because it's kind of boring, but I'm just this really pretty metallic blue. Waterline, I'm gonna go in with this angle brush. It's still like kind of dirty because I used it yesterday, and I'm going in with Prom Night from Jeffree Star. It is kind of running out already because I love this pink, so I'm just gonna shake it up a little bit just when the product can like mix up and kind of just go in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out this top part, get the angle, and I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some of this lipstick. Now again, if you are new, these lipsticks are vegan free, cruelty free, so they are safe to use on the eyes. However, you do gotta be careful because sometimes it kind of still does like go in the eye, and I'm kind of like you know, but just be careful with it. Go slow. I feel like I have a hair. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the waterline. I'm gonna get kind of close and personal with you guys, and I am just going to drag this slowly. And that is all there is to it. You see that and that, and you see the difference. I'm gonna do this one. Done. I am going to go ahead and get this brush right here, pick up that blue that we used on the lids, not underneath that area right there, and just bring it in this way, kind of smoke it out. Softly. Inner, I'm gonna go in with my Mata brush. You guys already know that I like to use this for the inner, and I'm going in with this Paris Hilton rainbow highlight, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this light one first, this really light pink, and I'm gonna go right in the center, like right in the center, but right in the inner teardrop. Once I do that, I'm gonna go in with the hot pink now. Pick the hot pink, like a little bit brighter pink, and then put that on top of it just to give it a little bit more of a pink vibe, just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Ulta Beauty glitter liquid eyeliner and Dang, and this is the one that came with Melissa collab. So we're gonna go ahead and get this and put it right on the bottom, and it comes like this, and just drag very little. Mascara I use two. I like to use the Climax with NARS, and then I use the Wet n Wild Mega Protein. So I use these two, And then for lashes, what I'm going to put on are the Jade 13, the Fox Mink ones from Huda Beauty lashes. I like these. They are like double or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. And the lashes are on, and we're gonna go ahead and put some lipstick. So lipstick that I used yesterday was this really pretty neon pink, and this is by Kat Von D in the shade Ziggy. I am really running super low on this, which is crazy because it's been a really long time since I really like used up a whole lipstick because I have so many. But we're gonna go ahead and put this on. I like to outline it with the puntita, and then that is that. We're gonna go ahead and put some highlight. The highlight that I with Nicole Guerrero. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with this really pretty pink one right here. And that is Kitty Cat. I always forget sometimes. And I remember how to do all this. Like the highlight part. Towards the end of everything. But it's alright. I can just put a little bit there. And that is that. I'm going to go and that is that, and that is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I actually love this look that I did. It's just so pretty, like the pink and the blue just really kind of comes together, and then the pink on the bottom, it's just like really cute, and it goes with my nails. So that's what the inspiration was for this look. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like this look. Again, you can use this for Valentine's Day, or you can use it whenever the hell you want to use it. But I just kind of went with the Valentine theme because it's pink, and then we're kind of using like a pop-up blue in there because, you know, you never know what you're wearing. Maybe you're just wearing a plain pink shirt, some pink heels or pink tennies because I'm a tennis shoe girl, and just put a pop of blue. So it doesn't really matter. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like this look as much as I really like creating it. And that's about it, guys. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to slap the subscribe button, ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.